Hey guys, in this video I'll be talking about my today's live intraday trading, and also I'll be telling you the analysis of the trade, and also I'll be telling you how you guys can make consistent profit in intraday trading. So watch the video for the full information. So guys, yes, right now I'm planning to short sell in the market level now around 1254 to 1253 level. So I just short sold now. So yes, let's see how the stock will perform, and I'm aimed to get like 5 to 6 points off a target. So the market right now is currently minus 0.16% down. Yes, the market looks very bearish today. It has touched some of the resistance levels. So let's see how the stock will perform. Okay, so selected a stock from the Nifty 50 list. Okay, it was around top gain and top loser list today. So just selected in fee. So based on my view and based on my strategy, I've just selected this. So let's see how the stock will perform. So yes, as you guys can see, we are trading without indicators. So these are my unique strategies, which are very simple and are accurate. Okay, so yes, 1254 is my short selling level, and the low made as of now is 1252. So let's see, once that 1252 gives a breakout, let's see how it will perform. So right now I short sold at 1254. So yes, in fee, and also the market currently has touched some of the resistance level, and it is in a downside now. If you guys can see, minus 0.12% down. Yes, the support is also there. It's a main support. If that support breaks, we can expect market to go much down today. So let's see if the market can take the support or will not. Okay, so 1253.95. So let's wait for the stock to perform. And guys, yes, to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you need to have a good trading setup. That means a good trading strategy and a trading discipline and a good money management system. So you need to have all of these things to make consistent profit in intraday trading. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit in intraday trading and want to be a profitable trader in intraday trading, you can join my course now. In my course, I'll teach you the simple and effective and accurate strategies to make consistent profit in intraday trading. They are with no indicators and no complicated things. Just by spending 15 to 20 minutes per day, you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, you can go inside my channel and watch daily live trades what I've uploaded. So I trade based on my ideas and my strategies on all this live trading, and the live trading what you're seeing exactly right now. So once you join the course, I'll be teaching you all these methods of selecting the stock and where to enter exactly, and how to keep a target stop loss, what's the target you need to keep, what's the stop loss you need to keep. So I'll be teaching you all these things, and mainly I'll be teaching you what stock to select every single day for a correct trades. Okay, so I'll teach you all of these things in a very simple manner, and you get lifetime support once you join us. Okay, and the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. It's the amount what you spend for eating your snacks or fast food in a month. Okay, and once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support as well, plus the live market guidance. The live trade what you're seeing now, you will get the same support as well once you join us. Okay, so yes, so these are the benefits what you will be getting once you join us. And now let's see the trade how it's going. So guys, yes, after some time, the stock was just range bounded. It just went like 2 to 3 points up, and now it is back to the selling side. So it's currently trading around 1254 and 1253 levels. Okay, so the market right now is minus 0.25% down. Yes, the market is slowly coming down again. So let's see, once that 1253 or 1252 support breaks, let's see how the stock will perform. Yes, it is one of the key support for Infi as of now. Even the 1250 is also standing as a good support, but let's see if the market becomes more bearish, that support can give a breakout is what my view is on Infi. So yes, we have got a breakout here on 1253, and 1252 is about to give a breakout now. So guys, yes, 1251 as of now. So yes, we are getting closer to the target of 5 to 6 points almost, as I've already said you. So yes, we do follow all kind of discipline of keeping target and stop loss and everything. Okay, so once you join us, I'll teach you all these techniques and methods, which are very simple and easy. Okay, and as you guys are seeing, we don't use any indicators. These are all unique and simple strategies. So 1250 is a new low what it has made as of now, as you guys can see here. So let's see if it can break 1250. I'll just hold my target for 1249 or somewhere, and I'll just take the exit. So 1250. So guys, yes, 1250 is also given a breakout here. 1249 now. Okay. So yes, I'll just take my exit and I'll update you about the trade. Okay. So guys, as you guys can see, the stock made a low of 1242.45. And also you can go to the link in the description of this video and go inside my blog, and there you can see the earning proof and feedback from my clients, what they have given us once they have joined, and they're able to make constant profit. Okay, so even if you also wish to earn constant profit like this from today, you can join us now by messaging me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So guys, you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. So I upload daily live trades about what trade I take and what trade I do, so you can see all the performance. And if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us. I'll be guiding you guys personally in the live market. The same trade what I take and the same levels what I do, you will get the same trades as well. Okay, so if you are interested to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now.